Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. Captain here, back with another comparison video. Today I compared the latest launched gaming smartphone from Xiaomi, the Xiaomi Black Shark 3 versus the Pro version, the Xiaomi Black Shark 3 Pro. So let's start this comparison and see which phone wins this comparison. So guys, as you can see the both phone comparison, the Xiaomi Black Shark 3 earned 18 points and the Xiaomi Black Shark 3 Pro earned 19 points. So 1 points different, but Xiaomi make these devices a really professional gaming devices. Let me know your thought, because this device is amazing for a PUBG lover or Fortnite lover. This is a great gaming smartphone. Also, this smartphone has a 90 Hz display and 270 Hz touch sensing. So this is a all-in-one gaming smartphone right now in 2020. And also this smartphone has a 5G connectivity. And one more thing, amazing thing in this smartphone has a magnetic charging. So it's a great new technology used in this smartphone. So let me know your thought in the comment section, and also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. Enable the bell icon for latest video notification. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.